Whatever. Anyway, this Goofy back again. And you want to be racist? Yeah, and I'm very so fuck off.
Love it, yeah, we gonna take over the
Are you still trying to mess with us? Looks like we're fighting 3 countries, eh? By the way, we sent this for Terra and Kurdistan. Look at you. You got invaded by me. Kingdom of SAU. And you got invaded by the US. By the way, yeah, we mobilizing troops. So why won't you show where your land at, boy? Exactly. We ain't in no civil war. You just an organization. I don't know what you think it's on. But who is this? I'd be a good colony. What the heck? Nah! They're gonna get invaded. Who is this? Nah! They tell me I'd be a good colony. Bitch, I wish you would. I wish you would invade me, boy. I wish you would. Bro, and number 1, I'm ranked first. Bitch. By the way, bro, I wish you would. I wish you would invade me, boy. I wish you would. I bet. You want to start out that drama? We can buy you too. And you sound like you'd be a good colony. You talking about? But I just sound, we ain't gonna be no colony of yours. You sound stupid. And then what did he post about me? Exactly. Kiss Epstein. Hi, baby. That's how you in the Epstein files, bitch. What you talking about? Exactly. You ain't spotting that. Cause you know you racist. Now, bye. Yeah, and I'm a hide too. So get off. And this is what we did if you want a rematch.
love it, yeah, we gonna take over the year for another year. It's your love it, yeah, we gonna take over the year for another year. It's your bestie, Miss Westie. Don't tryna test me. It's gonna get messy. It's gonna get messy. Just bless me. Bless me. It's your bestie, Miss Westie. Just tryna bless me. Just bless me. Bless me.
Yeah, I know what you done. So get out my comments, bro. Get a life.